and the car is now started now the high speed, and driver is the well experienced man is going down the road. It is the trial point, and then now is starting again and again with the very skillful driving on the beautiful road again the red car. It is nicely to see the beautiful scene in small visiting car like Indian car, beautiful scenes in the red car, and the two passengers in the back side and the one driver and the one on the front side. They're running on the beautiful roads again and again. They're very happy now to see on the beautiful road with speedily and greenery here again and stands here the 3D roads and the like the beautiful scene. It nicely to see the beautiful stunts of the cars is likely to be running on the roads again and again in fully furnished roads and furnished cars again very smoothly and running to their destinations where the passenger is now the waiting, and it is like a taxi car and the beautiful scenes here again and again. Happy to now the beautiful, and I like to very much, and the driver is much running to the excited to running this car, and it is beautiful scene on the road and beautiful likely to running on the beautiful sides. It is we are too happy to know that there the some crane on the road here, then some beautiful home near the greenery here, then some sugar canes and some crops also near the road, and likely the beautiful scenes again and again on the roads, and the car is running on the going on the destinations. We are lucky to forward to hills again and again, but sometime you will be too happy to know that the different destinations and the some buses here, the beautiful trucks here, the Indian trucks here, and the Indian car here, and the Wagoner is like to also the Wagoner, and also the bus is going on the destination and the car is going on the right way, and the some on the building here, then sometime of the electricity is a very high speed to now see the beautiful scenes here. It is nicely to see the driver is going on their destinations, and the women is near to the drivers and going to the destination. We are lucky to follow the furnish the cars, and the also the bricks is also on the trucks, and nicely to see the beautiful roads again. It is the car the beautiful simulators. We are going on the destinations again and again, but sometimes we are lucky to hold the controlling the cars and the roads, and we are right way to the best way to the destination. And some small houses, some great houses, and some trucks is going on the destinations. We are lucky to see the beautiful scene there, then some crops there, and beautiful likely to be the destination again and again. Too happy to know that there is a good way to the destination. Now we are the evening time on going on the destinations. Is it likely to see the beautiful scenes here, the driving skills here, the driver going to the controlling the cars again and again on the right way path again. We are reaching on the beautiful scene of the jewelry, and sometime we are the turning the point. It is nicely to see the beautiful stunts here, the car going on the destinations, and the driver is likely to hold the beautiful scenes. But sometimes you will be too happy to know that wow, it is good way to see it's not good for the car wow, we are going on the destinations again the skills here, and the car is going with fully furnished time again and again, and sometimes we are the lucky to hold the destination, and it is nicely to see the beautiful roads again, and sometimes we are lucky to hold and nicely to see the destinations again, and nicely to see the beautiful roads on the roads, and we are lucky to see the beautiful stars here again, and nicely to see destinations again. We are going on the destinations again, beautiful greenery here, beautiful growths here again. It's night time to driving into full of the destinations, but sometimes it is low air is running on the roads. We are quickly to their destination. Some also the big buses here on the road, the fully furnished times again. We are crossing again and again. We are on the destination, and sometimes we are lucky to hold there the we are controlling to guard the destination, and it is nicely to see the driver is going on the destinations, and is with fully furnished car and beautiful indoor cars, and the driver is with fully highly speedy to driving on the roads, and it's nicely to see the beautiful stunts here, beautiful videos here, beautiful sights here, and nicely to see the beautiful roads, and nicely to see the beautiful strands here, and nicely to see the beautiful, wow, nicely to see the, oh, it's in some bricks here, and it's crossing the building in the high bridge and going to the destinations again and again. To happy to know that the, wow, it is nicely seen. It is the camera is full of the furnished stores again and again. To happy to know that we are nicely to see the, which, oh, good way, we are looking forward to the destinations, and the car is going on their way, and the some also the near the white cars again. Happy to know the big bus is near to the crossings here, it is the sugar cane, and it's night time, it's full of the overconfidence to drive in the car, and we are reaching on the destinations, and the some people and some passengers are on the way and looking forward to their way, then again and again. To happy to know that we are looking, oh, on the way in the nicely to car, the controlling the car, it is nicely, oh, we are looking on the daytime, it's the morning time, and the looking forward to our destinations. A long way to the night tour and night stay and night driving, we are reaching our the morning time. It is good way to seeing near the destinations, fully fresh roads and fresh nights and fresh day, and we are finally to there the going on our destination very fully time. We are on the roads again, it's a highway road, it is the motorway roads, it is near the toll plaza. Coming from the toll plaza, we are reaching our the toll plaza, and it is nicely to see the beautiful roads again and again. Wow, beautiful scene on the ground, the cars again. Wow, we are reaching our the destinations, and the big cars here again, the simulators, and the big 3D cars here again. About the crane, it is a beautiful scene near the building, and even the high class building we are reaching it, like the Washington building, the UK building, then the London building, then the very nice to see the beautiful scenes here. That is the good way the bridge here and overflow here, and nicely to see the beautiful destination and beautiful roads near the, this near the building. It is a high classly highly furnished building we are reaching. It is the international building that we are very flowing here again and again. To happy to see the beautiful trucks and again near the roads again, and the furniture internationally to the international tours. We are looking forward to the destination very quickly and very smoothly to the big suspension. The suspension of the car is very nice, and we are looking forward to them to the destinations again and again. Happy to hear the beautiful scenes here, the beautiful lucky times here, and nicely to see the beautiful destinations here, and nicely to reach our destinations again and again. To happy to see the beautiful roads again, and sometime we are looking forward times, and nicely to reach the destinations again and again. Happy to see the beautiful roads again, and we are reaching our the destination. It is full of the furniture. We are looking to the backside, and it's nicely time to see the turning point is backside here. And thanks for watching here. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe my channel, and we are the reaching